Hi, it's been a long day. So I'm making a traditional in my family meal. It's ground turkey, salt, pepper, this stuff, which I can never pronounce, so I'm just going to say it as much as you want, really, honestly. And this. And I will cut up potatoes, like potato wedges, lay them on top of the meat. Hold on. Lay the potatoes on top of the meat, take shredded cabbage and put that on top of the potatoes, put more seasoning. I did salt and pepper and garlic powder, and I let it steam cook until the potatoes are tender. Bon appetit, I guess. It's been a long day of stupid arguments.